Constructing an angle bisector. An angle bisector is a line or line segment that cuts an angle into two equal pieces. So, for example, if I have an angle and I wanted an angle bisector, I would have to start at my vertex and cut straight through the middle of the angle, and then this angle would be congruent to this angle. So my middle segment right here, or my middle ray, would be the angle bisector. Constructing an angle bisector, first we're going to set it up. I'm going to scroll down to my lines and grab your ray. We're going to put AB, then we're going to put AC, and I'm going to make this kind of large because we have to cut it in half. That's your initial setup, and then from here what we're trying to construct is the angle bisector that's going to cut this angle in half. In order to do that, go grab your point tool, and we're going to place a point anywhere on AB. Then we're going to grab our compass tool, and we're going to measure the distance from A to D and place that circle at A. Grab your intersect tool, and we're going to mark the intersection of the circle with AC. Then grab your compass tool. We're going to measure the distance from D to E and place that circle at D. Then we're going to measure the distance from D to E again, and this time place the circle at point E. Then do you notice where these two intersect out here? So we're going to go grab our intersect tool, and we're going to mark point F. Then go back, grab your ray tool, and we're going to do a ray from A to F, and then AF should be your angle bisector. It cuts the larger angle BAC in half. In order to check that, we're going to go up to measure an angle. I'm first going to do angle BAF, then I'm going to do FAC. Go grab your move tool. I'm going to grab my first one and move it out here into the angle. Grab my second one, and notice they are the same. Again, if we want to check it even more, grab point B and move it. And notice as we make it either smaller or larger, the two angles remain the same.